So this is a lovely January day. We decided to drive out across the Palmasola Causeway out to Anna Maria Island to go for lunch at the Rod and Reel Pier. We've been wanting to do this for a while, and we had I think it was a Sunday morning. Nothing much to do. We hopped in the car from our place in Palmetto and away we went. It takes about 15-20 minutes to get across the Palmasola. So basically we went across the Green Bridge, took a right on Manatee, and kept going right out to Holmes Beach. From the light at Holmes Beach, just veer right and go to the end of the island. The Rod and Reel Pier was built in 1947, I believe, and it fortunately withstood Hurricane Irma from 2017, which unfortunately the city pier just down the street did not. When we were there that day, I noticed that they were actually taking apart the old city pier. There was a barge there, and it was pretty much demolished. We're hoping that they are rebuilding it. I read something in the Bradenton Herald that they were. So I just flew my drone over here, took a few shots, hoping I would see some wildlife. There were a few pelicans and whatnot there. But other than that, no dolphins or anything too exciting. So after we walked around, we went up into the restaurant and ordered their amazing hamburgers there. They are a half-a-pound burger, which is quite a lot to eat, but it was good beef, very delicious. Highly recommend it. It was about time to leave now. We had finished our hamburgers, and we were just going to take a drive around the island and see what else was out there. It is really worth the drive out to Anna Maria Island. We go quite often. So if you have some time, take the trip out. It's worth it.